pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Nifty 50 Index futures on the Singapore Stock Exchange indicate an 84-point opening gain. Asian stocks are higher Thursday before the Jackson Hole Symposium. The typhoon warning cancelled Hong Kong's morning session. The Bank of Korea raised its benchmark interest rate to 2.50%. Wall Street rose on Wednesday as energy stocks and Intuit rose and investors awaited the Fed's Jackson Hole conference. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will speak at the three-day Jackson Hole Economic Symposium on Friday. Fed watchers expect him to reinforce the central bank's goal of squashing inflation and controlling price expectations. Wednesday's volatile session in the US ended with small gains. S&P, BSE Sensex gained 54.13 points, 0.09%, to 59,085.43. The Nifty 50 rose 27.45 points, 0.16%, to 17,604.95. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 23.19 crore on the 24th of August, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of 322.34 crore. Follow us, information is wealth.